Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can a fix a Zoom app virtual background option not showing. So here you can try to open Play Store first and find Zoom Workplace. Here you can choose you can type Zoom and find Zoom Workplace and try to update this app. So you have to keep up to date so your minor bug will be fixed. And also if there are new feature, you can try it. After the update, please open your Zoom Workplace. And now in order to set a virtual background, you cannot find the option on more settings. Usually in old version of Zoom, you can find on the meeting settings. Here you can set your virtual background, but after the updates, you cannot use the set how you can virtual background, how to set virtual background option in meeting settings. So in order to do that, you can go back and start new meeting or join new meeting. Let's practice by start new meeting. Here, if you notice, there is a toolbar. Now you can access it. You can access apps. You can tap it and wait for a process. Now you can find virtual background. Here, you can discover perfect virtual background for your meeting. Now powered by Pexels, there are 4 categories: nature, interiors, art, and travel. And if you find a pretty background for your meeting, just tap it and set as your background. Please make sure you have a good internet connection. Sometimes you get an error, and you can share it to your friend by tap share button. And also, if you prefer a blur background, you can tap 3 dots at the top of your screen beside the search pixels filter and use blur instead. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the button below. See you in the next video.